Roland V600 UHD 4K HDR multi-format video switcher. Inputs: 4 times HDMI 2.0, 2 times 12G SDI, 1 times RGB. Outputs: 3 times HDMI, Multiview, 1 times SDI. Video processing 4:4:4, PR/RGB, 10-bit. 1080p/I, WUXGA processing. Scaling on all inputs and outputs. DCI 4K, UHD 4K, HD, UXGA compatible. The versatile V600 UHD 4K HDR multi-format video switcher from Roland integrates Full HD and 4K inputs for simultaneous output, enabling you to transition to a full 4K workflow as your workload and budget demands. Nuanced lighting at IMAG events and subtle tones are preserved in all their detail using high dynamic range, HDR, technology, and 60 Hz frame rate support provides smoother movements than a 30 Hz rate. BT.2020 color gamut support and 10-bit 4:4:4 color processing both maintain accurate color reproduction and reduce color banding. $11,750, Blackmagic Design, ATEM Television Studio Pro 4K Live Production Switcher. 8-channel 12G SDI inputs. 11 times 12G/HD/SD SDI plus HDMI outputs, UHD 4K Multiviewer. Video processing 4:2:2, 10-bit. Up to 4K 2160p 60. HD and UHD signal compatible. Resync on all inputs. The Blackmagic Design ATEM Television Studio Pro 4K is a UHD 4K compatible, 8-input live production switcher with an integrated control panel, suitable for broadcast, sports, web, and AV productions. This versatile switcher's 8 independent 12G SDI inputs accept all popular HD and UHD signals up to 2160p 60. A resyncing feature on each input enables you to seamlessly use an amalgam of pro and consumer cameras, game consoles, and computer feeds. $2,995, Lumentech Pro VS10. 10-channel 3G SDI and HDMI video mixer, 10 x 1 1080p 60 Full HD video switcher. 10-input, 3G SDI and HDMI video. 6 x 3G SDI output, Multiview/program outputs through HDMI. Video processing 8, 10-bit 4:2:2. Supports up to 1080p 60 HD video. Automatic scaling. Mix, match 3G/HD/SD SDI and HDMI sources. The Lumentech Pro VS10 10x1 video mixer and production switcher is the main product in the AS Live Show series. It is a standalone video switcher with scaler installed, giving the ability to set the outgoing resolution up to 1080p 60. VS10 allows live monitoring of 10-input video streams, media, test patterns, color bar, color background, PGM, PVW through multi-view screen. Internal scalers allows VS10 to synchronize frames, and these can be controlled with console buttons, jog or joystick. Through touchscreen LCD, you can check the PGM and multiview. VS10 can receive 10 audio sources from the video inputs and 1 extra source from external audio, XLR, input. You can change the volume, mute and change to AFV, audio follow video, modes. $3,600, Avenimatrix Portable 6-channel 3G SDI/HDMI video switcher. 6-channel inputs, 4 times 3G SDI and 2 times DVI/HDMI/USB player inputs. 2 times 3G SDI and 1 times HDMI PGM outputs, 1 times SDIO output, 1 times SDI and 1 times HDMI multiview outputs. Input up to 4K 60 video via HDMI. SDI/HDMI/DVI IVGA,
800 mV plus minus 10%. Auto detects input format. This compact portable 6-channel SDI/HDMI video switcher from Avenimatrix can switch up to 6 different video inputs while recording the program feed. The multi-view layout allows you to show preview, program, and input sources all on the same screen with PIP functionality. Effectively, this makes the PVS-0605 a portable TV studio that you can take anywhere and set up with minimal effort or extra equipment. $1,699, Roland VR50 HDMK2 multi-format Avenue mixer with USB 3.0 streaming. 12 input, 4-channel multi-format video switcher, 4x 3G SDI, 4x HDMI, 2x RGB, 2 composite. Output, 2x 3G SDI, PGM, aux, 3x HDMI, PGM, aux, multi-view, 2x RGB, PGM, aux. 4:4:4, RGB, 10-bit, 4:2:2, Y/PB/PR, 10-bit. Supports 3G/HD/SD SDI, HDMI, RGB, component, and composite video inputs up to 1080p, 3G SDI. Scaling, mix, and match resolution. Built-in preview touch monitor, 7-inch graphic color LCD 800 by 480 dots. USB 3.0 video, audio output for web streaming and recording up to 1080p. Audio and video transition effects. Inspired by user feedback on the first version of the VR50 HD, the Roland VR50 HDMK2 multi-format Avenue mixer with USB 3.0 streaming provides key updates to the already powerful unit that integrates an audio mixer, video switcher, multi-viewer touchscreen and USB video, audio streaming into a standalone device. This portable live HD production solution combines the functions of a video switcher and an audio mixer, and it is ideal for use at live events, schools, churches, council meetings, and corporate events. The VR50 HDMK2 features 4 video input channels, either SDI, HDMI, RGB, component, composite, or a combination. It supports SD, HD, and computer-based signals in either NTSC or PAL standards, with selectable frame rates, and will scale input video to match the selected output resolution. $6,495.
Panasonic All-in-One IP Live Switcher Avenue HLC 100. 4x video, 8x NDI input switcher, 4x 3G SDI, 1x HDMI, NDI 8x inputs, compatible equipment including IP input from SkypeTX compatible PC. Output program, 3G SDI, program/preview/O. Selectable, 1x 3G SDI 1x HDMI 1x DisplayPort, network program/preview/aux, selectable, 1x RJ45. 3G SDI, HDMI, and NDI inputs. The Panasonic Live Production Streaming Switcher Controller and PTZ Camera Controller is well suited for use in a variety of environments including live events, education, live musical performances, and lectures. It supports 10 channels of video and can simultaneously accept input from SDI, HDMI, and NDI/IP. Supporting up to 12 audio channels, the switcher can use the audio embedded in digital video, as well as from analog audio, and even the microphone input. $10,999, Sony AWS-750. Anycast Touch Portable Live Content Producer. Input 6 primary video 1 ME plus 4 keyer, 2x pin, 2x title, plus 2 logo, 4x 1.5G SDI, 2 composite, 2 RGB, 2 HDMI. Output PGM output, PGM, aux output to displays into the web, 4x SDI, 1 RGB, 1 HDMI, 1 ref. Video processing 10-bit, Y, 74.25 MHz, RY/BY, 37.125 MHz. System format 59.94 Hz 1080/59.94 Hz. Touchscreen 15.6-inch viewing display and 10.6-inch control display. 192 GB fixed internal SSD records 10 hours. Anycast Touch is a video switcher, video recorder, streaming encoder, audio mixer, clip player, remote camera controller, and titler that supports 10 languages. An all-in-one machine with 6 video and 5 audio inputs. It accepts professional, consumer, and PTZ cameras, Blu-ray and DVD players, computers, microphones, and other devices on input, and it broadcasts live to streaming servers, projectors, HD TVs, computers, smartphones, and tablets. Connections include SDI, HDMI, composite, XLR, and RJ45. The audio mixer features limiting, compression, equalizer, and delay adjustments. $7,495.
Livestream Studio HD 554K compact and portable all-in-one live production switcher. Input 5 times HDMI, 5 times SDI, NDI input up to 25. Output 1 times SDI, 1 times HDMI, 5 times NDI output. Processing 10-bit, 4:2:2, on-screen multi-view of all live inputs. Supports 4096 by 2160 23.98/24/25. Storage 2 TB Samsung Evo SSD. Equipped with all the features of Livestream Studio 3.0 but offered in a compact companion-like form factor, the Livestream Studio HD 554K is a truly portable all-in-one live production suite that can be easily carried anywhere. Just grab it by the handle or place it in the included carry bag and take it with you wherever you need, including on a plane. $10,499. Data Video HS 1306 Channel HD Portable Video Streaming Studio. 6 times HD video inputs, 4 times SDI 2 times HDMI. Outputs 2 times SDI 3 times HDMI. Support 1080i/60. The HS 1300 brings a new level of simplicity to production workflows. You'll set up faster and easier thanks to its portable briefcase design. And thanks to its built-in H.264 web streaming encoder, you can stream your show to virtually any CDN like YouTube and Facebook in no time. $3,499.
Data Video HS 2850 HD/SD 8/12 channel portable video studio. Inputs 12 times SDI, 3 times HDMI. Down converted output 3 times SDI, and 3 times SDI assignable, PGM, PVW, and clean out, 1 times HDMI assignable, PGM and multi-view. Support 3G/HD/SD input 1080i/p60 Hz. Built-in display 17.3-inch HD. A complete and professional studio made for big events. This professional studio includes a built-in switcher, intercom, tally, audio delay and monitor. Ideal for large-sized live video productions. Supports up to 12 HD or SD inputs in a variety of configurations, 3 SDI and 1 HDMI freely assignable outputs. $7,249. 12 channel. $6,749. 8 channel.